everybody? It's your boy Miguel from PerezAutoDetail, and we are here live. We have a Mercedes AMG GT. This is our first video. So, just to explain a little bit about the channel, we're going to be doing a lot of day in the life as a young auto detailer. We're going to have a lot of exotic cars, dirty cars. We're going to have all sorts of fun things. So, today we're going to walk you through every step on what we do to detail this car. As you can see, it's got a lot of dirt on it built up. The rims are very dirty, so we're going to show you how we bring this back to life. Stay tuned for the results. You can see the car does not look too dirty right now, but if you do wipe it, you can see there's a lot of dust on there. Rims are very filthy. And come check out the interior before. Check out the interior. Nothing crazy with this client. He does stay up to maintenance with his car, so interior will be the easiest part. Let's get started on this detail. As you can see, we do have a fully mobile setup. We carry water. We've got a 50-gallon water tank, pressure washer, 100-foot hose reel. We've got air compressor, hose reel for that too. We have everything on deck, making us fully mobile. So let's get started on this wash. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put some soap in our buckets and fill them up. And let's fill up these buckets. A little bit. Alright guys, so now we're just going to use our pressure washer to rinse off any loose dirt on the car, and then we're going to foam it down. Alright, so as you should all know, wheels come first when it comes to any wash or detail. Here we have our wheel cleaner, diluted 5-to-1, and we're going to get started on these wheels. Here we have a wheel brush, and this is to get in between the rims and inside of the wheelbarrow. So we're just going to scrub inside here, inside out, and get on these sides. More on the tire as well, and with this brush scrub the face of the wheel. Then we grab a wash mitt and get all over here. Together in the wheelbarrows if they were really dirty previous. Get your calipers. Now we rinse. We're just gonna clean out our wheel brush. We've got the same process on the other wheel.
You're gonna get your wheel cleaner all over and scrub. That's good.
Alright guys, so we're finishing up the last rim now, and after this we're going to foam the car and begin the wash. In the foam can, and we're just going to top it off with some water. We're just gonna go up and down. Make sure to cover the top half of the car first. We are going to be doing it up to here. And towards the end, we wash the second bottom half of the car. That way, we don't transfer any rocks from the bottom to the top, creating unnecessary scratches. All right, so like I said before, now we're gonna cover the bottom half of the car. And we just go all around. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off as much water off of the car, the rims, the crevices as we can, and then we're gonna finish it off with a microfiber towel. All right, so if you guys don't have a blower, you could also use an air compressor with the tornado attachment to get in those crevices. Now that we have the car mostly dry, we took off all the water from all the crevices. We're gonna use a fresh microfiber towel with some wax. What this is gonna do is this is gonna protect the paint and keep it shiny for the next couple of weeks. All we're gonna do is mist our towel and wipe evenly. We use a very high quality wax. As you can see, it does phenomenal. It's leaving the car shiny instantly. All you have to do is wipe on. You don't have to wipe off. All right, so make sure you spray your towel, not the paint, so that we're not misting the areas that are already wiped down, and making sure to save product. Most of the product is gonna fly away if you missed it on the car. You see all of that. So that way it's just better you spray the towel. This stuff is also good for windows. It leaves them streak free. So here's the last step. We've got a regular plastic cup and a paintbrush. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put some tire shine in here. And just as if you were painting a wall or something in your house, you're gonna wipe the wheels with the tire shine, get it on there nice and even. And that's pretty much it for the exterior detail. Make sure to not put too much because it will kick back and get all of this spotted.
Last wheel.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna touch up the interior. As you guys can see, the interior is not too dirty. So all we have to do is some wipe down on the seats, wipe down the door jambs, and give it a light vacuum. We're just gonna do a light vacuum on here. We have a pretty damn towel, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use it to wipe down the floors, the seats, steering wheel, door panels, and that's pretty much it. All right, boom. So there you guys have it. These are our steps here at PerezAutoDetail on what we do when it comes to maintenance clients. As you can see, the paint is very glossy. We use our wax on the paint and high gloss tire shine. We did a maintenance detail on this car. This car we do service bi-weekly, so it never gets too dirty. If you guys do need a detail, we are located in New Jersey. We service New Jersey, New York. We are mobile. So make sure to DM us on Instagram at PerezAutoDetail if you do need our services. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comment. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned till next video.